Excuse me. Ooh, sorry. Ooh. Oh, it's the Coke, man. It's the Coke for me. The Coke be giving me the burps. Baby. Where was I?
Stop yelling at me.
Alright, hey you guys, it's Young of the Gym, obviously, and today I have a mukbang, obviously. How many times am I going to say obviously? Anyways, today I am going to be eating some birria tacos. It came with the little, the broth. I don't know what the broth is called. I have a couple lime wedges, and just to prop it up, you know, life hack. If you're life hack, if you're trying to prop up some birria tacos, use the radishes that they give you. I don't really like radishes, so I mean the last time I ate it was like a long time ago when I was a kid still, and I didn't like it. But I guess maybe I'll try it today. It's been one of those days. Wasn't feeling too well today in the morning. And I felt a little under the weather, but I took some Theraflu, took a Tylenol for the headache, and I got a lot of sleep. So woke up, me and sister decided to buy some birria tacos, and already I know I'm gonna be drinking the broth out of this because the broth is always good, and to sip on, I'm sipping on a soda pop. I already opened it. I'm sorry, you guys. All right. So I hope you guys are all doing very well. Hope you guys are feeling fine. I'm gonna start off with putting some lime juice on my tacos. Don't really know what the traditional way is to eat the tacos, but I'm not traditional anyway, so I'm just hungry, I guess. Actually, you know what? I just got hungry when she said birria tacos. I was like, oh crap. Let me get out of bed. And I'm gonna put some in here. Damn, there's hella juice coming out of there. Yes. So there's two tacos. It's from a new place. I mean, not a new place, but we never been to this place. But we like whenever we go to work and come back from work, we see this place advertised on a billboard. So, she decided to order some birria tacos from this place. I'm gonna try the radish. I'm scared, you guys. Am I gonna like it? Am I not gonna like it? Y'all can see my mic. Chi was in the comment section. She asked me what mic I'm using. I'm gonna show you right now. It's a really cheap lavalier light mic that we got off of Amazon. I'll cut out the audio in this part because I'm gonna be touching the mic. So yeah, that's a little lavalier mic that I use, It comes with a clip that you could clip it to your shirt or whatever. Lavaliers are usually used for to get, you know, a lot of people use it in interviews. You'll see it like like when you watch the news, when news reporters are like recording anything on the street. They're usually mic'd up through a they'll have the hand mic, and sometimes they even have the lavalier mic, because the lavalier mic kind of gets a better audio. It gets a better pickup of like what they're saying, and it kind of diffuses more of the outside noise that would seep in if you were holding just a regular mic. But yeah, that was a little off topic. I'm gonna eat this taco. You guys want a bite? Okay, so I'm gonna dip it in here. Get it all juicy. Get it all juicy for y'all. You see that drip? Can y'all see it? I don't think y'all can see the drip. You see the drip? Okay, you know what? Work with me. Okay, you have to see that drip. It's so hard for me to see what's on the viewfinder because the viewfinder is so little. Oh, the meat is so flavorful in there. This doesn't have cheese in it. Every time I see people eating birria tacos on mukbangs, they have cheese in it. I don't know how to feel about the radish. What is this supposed to taste like? I don't taste anything. I like the texture because it's crunchy. Get some crunch action. Actually, this radish is not as bad as the one that I tasted a long time ago. The one that I tasted a long time ago had like a weird taste to it. It was like spicy. So I'm not sure if that's how radishes are supposed to taste. But this one, it's more of a crunch. Is it supposed to clean your palate like ginger when you're eating sushi? How are you supposed to eat it? I don't know. These are all important questions. So this place, they make their tortillas in-house. That might be a common practice in taquerias across the nation. I'm just gonna not double up, but fold it so I could get all of it in like that. It's dripping. It came through dripping. Ooh, ooh, ooh. This broth is really good. I know there's a lot of sodium in there. What is a radish supposed to taste like? I don't know if the meat is so flavorful and a little spicy that I can't really pick off the taste of the radish. You know how Tasha has potato volcano? I'm gonna do something like it. I'm gonna have radish, right? The meat and the tortilla, and I'm gonna dip it in the broth. She got her potato volcano. I got my Taco Tapo. That's so stupid. Taco Tapo. If it was a Taco Tapo, it would be like this. Right? You got the taco and then you got the top on it. I'll think of a better name. This is so corny. And then you dip it in the broth. Right? So you have all that broth dripping off of it. Damn it. Big bite, you guys. I know some of y'all really live for the big bites. That was so good, you guys. I don't know what happened there. Forgive me. That was a little out of the norm. Coke always goes good with some Mexican food. Whew, I am full and I'm awake. I should have ate this in the morning and then I would have had enough energy to go to work today. So, thank you guys so much for watching this video from the beginning to the end. And if you are not subscribed, please consider subscribing right now. Thank you guys so much for subscribing. Thank you guys so much for being in the comment section and sharing me out and thumbsing up the video. I love you guys. Please stay safe and stay healthy. And I'll see you guys in the next, I can't even talk right now. I will see you guys in the next upload. Thank you guys again. Stay safe, stay healthy. I love you guys. Bye.